about being thankful for the things we have, like our family, friends, and the simple joys in our life. When we practice gratitude, we learn to focus on the positives and appreciate even the small moments. This feeling of thankfulness brings peace in our hearts and helps us to live in harmony with others. Peace is not just an absence of conflict, but also the presence of kindness, empathy, and understanding. By being grateful, we become more compassionate and spread positivity with others. Let's make a habit of saying thank you, showing smile, and helping each other, and making a peaceful and happier world. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Musab and I am from grade 5. And today the topic of my poem is gratitude towards teachers. Thank you, teachers, for all you do, for helping us learn and guiding me through. You teach me things both big and small and always catch me when I fall. You make each day a lot of fun with smiles and laughter for everyone. You help me grow, you help me see all the things that I can be. So thank you, teacher, from my heart for the special way you play your part. I'm grateful for the things you share, for showing me how much you care.